I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming which PowerShell edition you have and why that matters for modules and CMDLET compatibility. Once done, run PowerShell as administrator to avoid permission blocks and set execution policy temporarily so scripts can run. Make sure to back up your $profile and any custom modules to a safe folder. This prevents accidental loss when you reinstall components. These initial steps establish the environment and reduce risk, while you proceed to repair commands and package fixes. You now repair modules and dependencies. Start with update module and install module for corrupt or missing packages, and use repair module if available. Next, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health, and then sfc/scano to fix system-level DLLs that PowerShell relies on. If core binaries remain faulty, download the matching MSI or use Winget to reinstall or upgrade PowerShell. This ensures CMDLET matching and runtime consistency. These steps fix both user space packages and the underlying system files. You finish by restoring your profile and modules, then run a series of smoke tests for get help, get module, and common scripts to confirm functionality. Make sure $env, path, and PS module path point to expected locations and that execution policy is appropriately set. Mismatches are common causes. If something still fails, run PowerShell no profile and reproduce the error to isolate profile issues, capture error output and module logs, and then proceed with targeted reinstalls based on that evidence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.